Today we're going to share 3 top tips to help your forwards paddling. We spend 99% of the time in our sea kites going forward, so it's worth investing some time into making sure your forwards paddle stroke is working for you. We don't want our top hand to be dropping down towards the deck as we do our forwards paddle stroke. Try and imagine that your top hand's staying somewhere between chest and nose height throughout the power phase of your stroke. We also want to make sure that we're planting the power phase, or when we put the blade into the stroke for the start of the power phase of the stroke, that we're planting that blade in by our feet. Really think about reaching forwards and getting that blade in by your feet. When I put that blade in on the left and I start to put some power through it, I'm going to start pushing with this left leg and this left foot to drive the boat.